What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. You guys see the box, you guys see the title. You know what's going down in this episode, guys. But before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, so you guys are up to date with the latest and the greatest. Go ahead and drop a follow, send me a DM, let me know you came from this video, and of course, I'll follow you back. Now, guys, enough about that. This video, we're going to be finally got our hands on a pair of these black and white dunks. Honestly, they might be the hottest sneaker of the year, just in terms of the amount of people that I've seen wearing them, the amount of interest I've seen. Yeah. I mean, I don't think 2021 is necessarily the year of the dunk anymore, but this is for sure, still something that's really hot, still something that's in demand. Finally got our hands on a pair, so let's go ahead and start with this review. As always, guys, anything that you see on this page, on these videos, it's all going to be authentic and for the most part for retail. This pair right here actually picked up for a friend for $300, size 8 women's at the time at a sneaker convention last weekend in Orlando. Honestly, it was really dope to be out and about. I'll go ahead and throw up a picture from there. Now, some stuff about this pair right here itself. My size goes for $363, which unfortunately sucks. Last sale, as you can see, for $359. Definitely not feasible. It's not something that you can readily buy. As you can see, retail for these dunks is always $100. So if you can cop them, congratulations. You just came up on an easy, cheap pair of sneakers that are great that you can wear with anything. Now, a little bit of background info on this before we dive in a little further. These black and white dunks, of course, released in March of this year, specifically on March 10th. And to this day, they're difficult to get. I think they've only gone up in price. Again, my size, $350, $360. That sucks, man, just for a pair of lousy dunks. But it is what it is. You guys will see why everybody's paying these stupid prices in just a little bit as we take a closer look at these. This is just wrapping up the box itself. Again, I didn't get this pair for retail. We did pick it up at a sneaker con, and it's not the prettiest condition. So, just wanted to give you guys a rundown one more time. If you have any moments where you need to, definitely pause the video and, let's kind of dive into this and see what you guys think. Let me know if you already have a pair, if you were able to get a pair. A little drum roll going there, please. And let's go ahead and take a look, guys. Sheesh. There they are. The black and white dunks, man. Some people call them pandas. Call them what you want, guys. Here we go. My initial thoughts on the sneakers themselves, I think they're really sick. I've been seeing a lot of pairs on foot. That's what's kind of influenced me to think that they may be a sneaker of the year contender. They go with everything. Personally, it's my favorite kind of aesthetic. All I wear is mostly black, so you can definitely style them with anything. I've seen them on many pairs of sneakers. I mean, many people, different styles, whether it's jeans, whether it's neutral colors, whatever it may be. So they're definitely a sneaker that you can style with anything. I'm going to be talking a little bit about Resell with these and my overall opinion. I'm just going to be letting it roll in the meantime. And again, guys, if you need to, definitely pause the video at any time to compare this pair to your pair. If you don't know if your pair is fake or real, again, this is a real, authentic pair for you to compare it to. Like I said, I most recently picked these up at a sneaker convention in Orlando last weekend. It was pretty dope to be out and about, to see everybody again. It's weird. I didn't think we'd be able to experience them anytime soon, but luckily we were. The quality control on these is actually pretty good. I can't complain. I have seen some dunks, like the UNC dunks that I had a pair of. They were pretty awful in terms of the leather quality, the stitching, but these black and white ones are impeccable. I think they're really clean. I mentioned earlier, I don't think it's necessarily the year of the dunk anymore. I think last year was definitely influenced, especially by people like Travis Scott and his dunks and his SBs. So that people were going crazy for them. But I think this year has been pretty much dominated by the 4, the Jordan 4 silhouette. It's pretty popular. We've gotten some dope releases like the blue 4s, the Oreo 4s, and then most recently the Lightning 4s or electric, whatever they're called. You know, the yellow Johns. But enough about that, guys. Yeah, I think that despite it being, just a black and white sneaker, it is something very clean. Let me know in the comments overall, guys. They've been out since March. I still don't have my pair. Definitely not trying to spend 360 on them, so if I could get them around 3, that'd be probably better. If you do have a size 13, then you gotta holla at your boy. But enough about that, guys. Again, just recapping this video. Let me know what you guys think. They've been out for a couple months now. Would you flip them? Would you drip them? Let me know. Are you wearing them? Do you see them often? Are you sick of them? Are you sick of dunks? Me personally, I really like them. Hope I can get my size. As always, guys, thank you for cooking with the kitchen. I hope that you all stay safe. Many more W's on the way. And let me know what you guys think of this video. Peace.